Today, we embark on a transformative exploration guided by the wisdom of the luminary Dolores Cannon. In this cosmic journey, we delve into the profound realm of fifth-dimensional habits, practices that serve as alchemical keys to raise your vibration instantly and attune your being to the frequencies of higher consciousness. As we immerse ourselves in the teachings of Dolores Cannon, let us open our hearts and minds to the sacred potentiality of these habits, recognizing them as gateways to the expanded realms of the soul. Living in the present moment, Dolores Cannon imparts timeless wisdom that transcends the limitations of the ordinary, inviting us to anchor our awareness in the eternal now. The fifth-dimensional habit of living in the present moment serves as a portal to higher states of consciousness. In the tapestry of existence, the present moment is a gateway to the infinite, a place where the past and future converge in the eternal now. As we cultivate the habit of present moment awareness, we liberate ourselves from the shackles of time-bound thinking. The mind, when untethered from the constraints of past regrets and future anxieties, becomes a vessel for higher frequencies of thought. Dolores Cannon guides us to recognize that in the stillness of the present moment, we access the wellspring of divine inspiration and align with the timeless essence of our soul. Practicing unconditional love. Unconditional love, the highest frequency in the cosmic symphony, is a transformative habit that Dolores Cannon emphasizes as central to the fifth-dimensional experience. This divine love transcends the conditional affections of the ego, extending beyond the boundaries of personal relationships. It is a love that emanates from the heart center, radiating outward to encompass all of creation. In the fifth-dimensional paradigm, the practice of unconditional love becomes a way of being, a sacred art that harmonizes with the cosmic dance of existence. Dolores Cannon encourages us to extend this love not only to others but also to ourselves. As we embrace the habit of unconditional love, we become conduits for the healing energies that flow through the universal currents, raising our vibration and the vibration of the collective. Embracing unity consciousness. Unity consciousness is a fundamental fifth-dimensional habit that Dolores Cannon illuminates as an integral part of the spiritual journey. In the fifth-dimensional realm, the illusion of separation dissolves, and the recognition of oneness emerges. This habit invites us to perceive the interconnected web of existence, where each being is a unique expression of the cosmic symphony. Dolores Cannon guides us to transcend the divisive constructs of the egoic mind and recognize the inherent unity that binds all of creation. The practice of unity consciousness involves viewing the world through the lens of compassion, acknowledging the sacred essence within every being, and understanding that we are all integral threads in the tapestry of cosmic evolution. Honoring soul-level authenticity. Authenticity, a cherished virtue in the fifth-dimensional paradigm, is a habit that resonates with the wisdom of Dolores Cannon. In the journey of soul evolution, the fifth dimension beckons us to embrace our authentic selves, shedding the layers of societal conditioning and egoic constructs. Dolores Cannon invites us to honor the unique expression of our soul and live in alignment with our true essence. As we cultivate the habit of soul-level authenticity, we step into the flow of our divine purpose. The masks we wear to conform to external expectations begin to dissolve, revealing the radiant authenticity that resides within. Dolores Cannon teaches us that authenticity is not a destination but a continuous journey of self-discovery and self-expression. A journey that raises our vibration by aligning us with the truth of our soul. Engaging in vibrational discernment. The fifth-dimensional habit of vibrational discernment is a transformative practice that Dolores Cannon highlights as essential for navigating the energetic landscapes of higher consciousness. In the cosmic dance of frequencies, discernment becomes a compass that guides us toward vibrations that elevate our being and away from those that drain our energy. Dolores Cannon encourages us to develop the habit of discerning the vibrational quality of thoughts, emotions, and experiences. By tuning into the frequencies that resonate with love, joy, and harmony, we align ourselves with the higher dimensions. This discernment extends to the choices we make, the relationships we cultivate, and the environments we inhabit. As we engage in vibrational discernment, we become conscious co-creators of our reality, attuning our vibration to the harmonious currents of the cosmos, activating the power of intention. Intention, a potent force in the metaphysical realms, is a fifth-dimensional habit that Dolores Cannon emphasizes as a catalyst for instantaneous vibrational elevation. The power of intention lies in its ability to focus the creative energies of the universe toward a specific outcome. Dolores Cannon guides us to recognize the potency of our thoughts and intentions in shaping the reality we experience. By aligning our intentions with the highest good and the well-being of all, we activate the transformative power of intention. This habit involves not only setting positive intentions, but also imbuing them with the energy of belief and trust. Dolores Cannon teaches us that the universe responds to the vibrational frequency of our intentions, and as we harness this power consciously, we become co-creators of a reality infused with divine purpose. Harmonizing with nature. Nature, a living manifestation of divine intelligence, holds the keys to fifth-dimensional harmony, as Dolores Cannon imparts in her teachings. The habit of harmonizing with nature involves recognizing the sacred interconnectedness between the natural world and our own being. In the embrace of nature, we attune ourselves to the rhythmic pulses of the earth and the cosmic energies that flow through all of creation. Dolores Cannon guides us to cultivate the habit of spending time in nature, allowing its beauty and wisdom to recalibrate our vibration. As we connect with the elements, the plants, and the creatures of the earth, we harmonize with the frequencies of balance and renewal. Nature becomes a sacred temple where we commune with the divine essence, raising our vibration and restoring our sense of oneness with the cosmos. Cultivating gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude, a transformative state of being, is a fifth-dimensional habit that Dolores Cannon encourages us to nurture in our daily lives, and being discerning about the energies we allow into our space. As we engage in the habit of mindful detoxification, we create a sacred container for higher frequencies to flow through. This involves not only external practices such as clean eating and energy clearing, but also internal practices of forgiveness, self-love, and emotional release. Dolores Cannon teaches us that the purity of our being enhances our receptivity to the elevated vibrations of the fifth dimension. Communing with higher self and spirit guides. Communing with our higher self and spirit guides is a sacred fifth-dimensional habit that Dolores Cannon illuminates as a source of guidance and support. In the expanses of higher consciousness, we are not alone. Our higher self and benevolent spirit guides are ever present, offering wisdom, love, and assistance on our journey. Dolores Cannon encourages us to cultivate the habit of connecting with our higher self through meditation, reflection, and inner listening. This inner communion serves as a compass, guiding us toward choices and paths that resonate with our soul's purpose. Additionally, connecting with spirit guides opens a channel for divine guidance and inspiration. As we engage in this sacred habit, we attune ourselves to the frequencies of divine wisdom and love. Embodying the essence of forgiveness. Forgiveness, a transformative alchemy of the heart, is a fifth-dimensional habit that Dolores Cannon emphasizes as central to the spiritual journey. The practice of forgiveness involves releasing resentments, grievances, and judgments, liberating the soul from the burdens of the past. Dolores Cannon teaches us that forgiveness is not an endorsement of the actions of others, but a gift we give to ourselves. By embodying the essence of forgiveness, we dissolve the energetic ties that bind us to lower vibrational frequencies. This habit involves forgiving not only others but also ourselves, recognizing the imperfections of the human experience. As we engage in the alchemy of forgiveness, we create space within our hearts for the harmonizing energies of love and compassion, aligning with sacred geometry. Sacred geometry, the divine language of creation, is a fifth dimensional habit that Dolores Cannon unveils as a key to vibrational attunement. The geometric patterns that underlie the fabric of existence hold transformative energies that resonate with the higher dimensions. Dolores Cannon guides us to recognize the sacred geometry present in nature, art, and the cosmos. Engaging in the habit of aligning with sacred geometry involves contemplation, meditation, and the conscious integration of these patterns into our surroundings. The resonance of sacred geometry aligns our energy field with the harmonious frequencies of the cosmos. Dolores Cannon teaches us that this alignment serves as a bridge to higher consciousness, facilitating the elevation of our vibration. Embarking on soul retrieval. Soul retrieval, a profound fifth dimensional habit, involves reclaiming and integrating fragmented aspects of the self that may have been lost or disowned throughout the soul's journey. Dolores Cannon guides us to recognize that the integration of these aspects is essential for wholeness and vibrational alignment. This practice involves a journey into the depths of the soul to retrieve the fragments that hold valuable lessons and gifts. As we engage in the habit of soul retrieval, we embark on a sacred journey of self-discovery and healing. The reintegration of fragmented aspects empowers us to embody the fullness of our soul's potential. Dolores Cannon teaches us that this practice is a gateway to higher states of consciousness, as it aligns us with the frequencies of unity and integration. Tuning into the frequencies of sound and vibration. Sound and vibration, potent carriers of cosmic energy, are integral to the fifth dimensional experience, as Dolores Cannon imparts in her teachings. The habit of tuning into the frequencies of sound involves engaging with music, chanting, and vibrational tools that elevate our energy. Dolores Cannon guides us to recognize the transformative power of sound in shifting our vibrational state. As we cultivate the habit of tuning into sound and vibration, we attune ourselves to the harmonies that echo through the universe. This practice involves not only external exposure to uplifting sounds, but also the internal resonance created through mindful breathing and toning. Dolores Cannon teaches us that sound is a direct pathway to the soul, opening portals to expanded consciousness. Awakening the pineal gland. The pineal gland, often referred to as the seat of the soul, is a sacred center of consciousness, as Dolores Cannon elucidates in her teachings. The fifth dimensional habit of awakening the pineal gland involves practices that decalcify and activate this potent energy center. Dolores Cannon guides us to recognize the role of the pineal gland in facilitating access to higher dimensions of reality. Engaging in the habit of awakening the pineal gland includes practices such as meditation, sunlight exposure, and the consumption of clean, high-vibrational foods. Dolores Cannon teaches us that the pineal gland serves as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, and its activation enhances our capacity to perceive the multidimensional aspects of existence. Navigating multidimensional realities. The fifth dimensional habit of navigating multidimensional realities involves expanding our awareness beyond the confines of the 3D paradigm. Dolores Cannon guides us to recognize that we are multidimensional beings with the capacity to traverse various planes of existence. This habit invites us to explore the expanses of our consciousness and access the wisdom and guidance available in higher dimensions. As we engage in the practice of navigating multidimensional realities, we open ourselves to the vastness of the cosmic tapestry. This involves cultivating a sense of curiosity, openness, and receptivity to the insights that may flow from expanded states of awareness. Dolores Cannon teaches us that navigating multidimensional realities is a natural aspect of our soul's journey and a gateway to the infinite realms of existence. Living in heart-centered awareness. Heart-centered awareness, the radiant core of our being, is a transformative fifth dimensional habit that Dolores Cannon underscores as essential for vibrational elevation. The heart, a powerful center of intelligence, transcends the limitations of the analytical mind and connects us to the infinite wellspring of love and wisdom. Dolores Cannon guides us to cultivate the habit of living in heart-centered awareness in all aspects of our lives. As we engage in heart-centered living, we navigate the world with compassion, empathy, and a deep sense of interconnectedness. This habit involves aligning our thoughts, actions, and intentions with the resonance of the heart, recognizing it as a gateway to higher consciousness. Dolores Cannon teaches us that the heart is a sacred compass that leads us toward the frequencies of love and unity.